Hey there, kindergarten through third grade teachers with iPads for yourself and your students. I am doing a really quick recording for a very, very simple, I promise, way to record yourself and upload it to your Drive or to Seesaw. So, I stole Jonelle's iPad, just like your iPhone if you're used to that. Hold on, crank it down. Here we go. We have the camera, right? Click on my camera. And then right down here, it says video, photo, or square, I believe that word is. You just kind of move this down so it's selected. And now video is selected, even though it's backwards and you're probably used to reading things that are backwards because you're primary teachers. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to do a recording, so I'm going to hit record, just like you do on your iPhone of silly things at home. And I'm going to make sure that the camera is actually flipped around, because that would be weird for me to record something else. So I prop up my little camera right here. Over here. And I'm up at my whiteboard teaching, or wherever I'm teaching, or if it's just me, and I just hit record. And I'm recording this wonderful lesson about the one and only Ivan. There's, sorry, Ivan. Where are you, Ivan? You're way up there. Ivan, there you are. One of my favorite all-time read alouds. Okay, so I'm done recording. Yay, yippee, you're done recording. And you're like, great, where did it go? Well, we just hit the home button again. Just like your iPhone, it's going to go into Photos. And there is a magical lesson on the one and only Ivan by me. And up at the top of the screen is an export button right up there. The box with the arrow that you're used to. We're going to click that, and here comes our options. Our options are to email, but I think these files are going to be too big. You could try to send it to your notes, but I don't know why. And you can, I don't know what that is. Oh, you could publish this right out to YouTube. Super, super easy. And you could also publish this to your Drive, and it'll go right into your Drive for you to do it whatever you'd like. And yippee, you can also publish this directly to Seesaw. So, super easy, down and dirty way of recording yourself in a read aloud or a lesson. I did this with my phone last year. I told you that, I believe. I didn't need to open up a Zoom because I was just recording a lesson and I didn't have any live students at that time. So, might be a great way to practice kids going into Seesaw and like watching you teach a lesson and creating norms or rules for what that would look like if and when we ever may or may not go distance learning. So, call me. I guess you don't need to see two of me today. So, call me if you're still having sound problems. Seriously, we will work this out. And you guys are doing an amazing job. And I hope you enjoy this really short video.